Have you ever missed a train? Today, you will hear the story of my trip that went wrong. But don't worry. The ending is much better than the beginning. Listen carefully, follow the subtitles, and learn real English for travel. Last Saturday, I planned to visit my friend in another city. I packed my bag the night before, and I was sure everything was ready. In the morning, I woke up late. My alarm had been ringing, but I didn't hear it. I quickly grabbed my bag, ran out of the apartment, and hurried to the station. When I arrived, I saw the train leaving. I felt shocked and also a bit angry with myself. At the ticket office, I asked the clerk, "Is there another train soon?" She smiled kindly and said,
Yes, there is one in 2 hours.
I bought a new ticket and decided to wait in the cafe. Sitting there with a cup of tea, I started to relax. Then a man at the next table asked me,
Are you waiting for the train to Greenfield?
I said, "Yes. How do you know?" He laughed and answered,
Because I missed my train too.
We started talking. He told me about his work, and I shared my story. The 2 hours passed quickly, and when the train finally arrived, we found seats next to each other. During the journey, we laughed and talked about travel mistakes. By the time I reached my friend's city, I was in a great mood. Yes, I lost my first ticket and arrived late, but I gained a new friend. That day, I learned something important. Sometimes a bad start can lead to a good ending. Now, let's pause for a moment. We will look at some new words and expressions from the story. This will help you understand better and use these phrases in your own life. Miss the train. Not catch the train on time. Ticket office. Place where you buy tickets. Clerk. Person who sells tickets. Soon. In a short time. In a great mood. Feeling happy and positive. Gain a new friend. Get a new friend. Thank you for listening to my story. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel for more real English stories with subtitles. Hit the bell so you never miss a new story. See you in the next video.